Hello and welcome everyone to the Community Summit Mastermind Challenge, where we ask 10 general knowledge questions and 10 AWS specific questions for the chance to be crowned the Concurrent Mastermind Challenge. Now today I've got a special treat for everyone because I'm delighted to have Matt Fitzgerald from AWS. Matt, hello. Do you want to introduce yourself to everyone?
Hi, yes, my name's obviously Matt Fitzgerald. I run AWS developer relations in Asia Pacific.
Cool, brilliant. And are you feeling a little bit nervous about doing the Mastermind Challenge?
I feel nervous when anyone asks me questions, so regardless of the topic of choice, yeah. So
Yeah. Okay. Right. Well, we'll try and make this as painless as possible then. So, is there anything specifically that you've got strengths on, or any areas of weaknesses perhaps, or anything particular that you might be looking out for?
nothing in particular. Yeah, I have some strengths in sort of big data analytics, graph database.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah,
We should
I,
see. We
I,
should.
I like to consider myself a bit of a generalist.
Okay. Good. Well, we'll see if we've got any questions in those areas then. Okay. Right. So, and is there anything specifically in AWS that you're excited about at the moment?
Uh, Anything that I'm excited about? Yeah, well, actually, I'm excited about things that don't typically end up in the news, and I really like the FPGA instance types.
Ah, yes. The are they the F instance types? Are
The
they
F1s, F1s,
F1? Right.
yes, yeah, yeah.
Cool. Okay. Well, we'll see if we've got anything on those then. Right. So, okay. You know the rules. Typical mastermind challenge. Okay. We'll ask questions. You can pass, and we'll come back to them at the end of them. We'll do the first 10 block first, and then we'll see how you do, and then we'll do the AWS specific ones afterwards. Okay. So good luck, Matt,
Okay,
and we'll start. Okay.
all right.
So question one. When describing and explaining simple cryptographic scenarios, two fictional names have become very famous. What are those names?
I believe they might be Alice and Bob.
Fantastic. On the money. Right. Question two. Help. What company had a legal dispute with the Beatles over their logo?
Apple.
God, you're on a winning streak of two there. Well done. Okay, question three. 12-factor application methodology is a set of principles for good application design. But where did the 12-factor methodology originate from? Or rather, which company?
Pass. Oh, which company?
Yeah.
Microsoft.
Okay. Your first fail. It was Heroku.
Oh,
Question
Heroku. Right.
question four. Which famous actor should never be taken for granted? Studied computer science at Belfast University. There's a bit of a clue there in the question. Which famous actor should never be taken for granted? Studied
Liam
compu-
Neeson.
Fantastic. Well done. Question five. Which language developed out of Mozilla by Graham Hoare focuses on performance, safety, and concurrency?
ECMAScript.
It's Rust.
Oh, Rust. Did you say Graydon Hall?
Graydon Hoare, yeah, sorry. Did I say that
Oh,
wrong?
yeah. Oh, no, I didn't hear Graydon Hall, but when you said Rust, I would have assumed that. Oh, yeah, Graydon Hall, of course.
Ah,
It's Rust. Yes.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. No, that's fine.
Okay, cool. Question six. In open source, there are four freedoms of software. Freedom to run, distribute, and study are three of them. But what's the fourth freedom?
Modification. I don't know what
So,
you said on the
so
first.
yeah, so the three freedoms I mentioned were freedom to run, distribute, and study.
Yeah, I would say the freedom to modify, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. Good, spot on. Question seven. Small computer systems interfaces are commonly known as what?
SCSI.
Oh,
This.
good man, good man. Whatever happened to SCSI, eh?
Whatever happened to SCSI? Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Question eight. In the film Alien, what is the name of the AI supercomputer?
Pass. Not a movie buff.
Ah, okay. All right. Okay, so you might struggle with this one then. Question nine.
Okay.
In the film John Wick, the Assassin's Administration used an old 1980s computer, but what is it?
Uh, it's not a Tandy or something like that, is it? TRS-80.
Nope, it's a Commodore VIC-20.
Oh, and the thing is, I know Vic 20s too, but I don't know that film. So yeah,
It's a great film. It's a great film.
yeah.
And question 10. In the OSI network model, what sits between the presentation layer and the transport layer?
Presentation application layer, is it?
That's above. That's above it. But it's actually session.
Oh, the session layer. Okay, right.
Okay, so you passed. Actually, did you pass on question? No, you didn't pass. You answered it. So so Matt, that's the first round. Okay, you scored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've scored a very respectable 5. So well done.
Oh wow.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
That's good.
It's actually that's about the going rate,
Right.
So well done. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the AWS round. So this is where the pressure's really gonna come on. Okay, so let's get started. So question 1: what are the 2 programming languages supported on Lambda at Edge?
Python and Node.
Yep.
Right.
Question 2: which AWS service would you typically use if you wanted to enter the world of virtual reality?
Sumerian.
Yes. Question 3: which open source project helps you use optimized OSs for containers?
Docker, is it? Or Kubernetes?
Nope. It's Bottle Rocket.
Oh, I've never. Bottle Rocket.
Yes.
I think the name rings a bell, but yeah.
Okay. Question 4. Which we'll come back to that one afterwards. Which AWS service name has origins in Welsh and means greater champion?
Pass.
Okay, pass. We'll come back to that one.
Yeah.
Question 5. What is the default soft limit for the number of AWS Lambda concurrent executions?
Default soft limit. Concurrent. 5?
It's 1,000.
Way off.
6. What AWS service uses open source project Apache TVM and is used to optimize the deployment of models onto small factor devices?
Pass.
Okay, pass. Question 7. Which city currently serves as the local zone?
Local zone.
So which city currently serves as the only local zone?
The only local zone. Pass.
Okay. And question 8. Which is the type of machine learning that AWS Deep Racer can help you with?
Reinforcement learning.
Yes, reinforcement learning. AWS AppSync is managed GraphQL service. What are the 3 top level operations?
There's subscription. Is it mutation?
Yep.
No. Is it and query?
Yes. Very good. Okay, and the final question of this round before we go back to the ones you passed on is: how many pillars does the well-architected framework have?
Is it 4?
Oh, it's 5.
5. Yeah.
Close, but no cigar. Right, let's go back to the ones that you passed on.
Right.
Question 4 is: what's the name of the AWS service that has origins in Welsh and means greatest champion?
So the name has origins in Welsh.
Yes. So what AWS services sound Welsh? I mean, that's a bit of an open question. Maybe a lot of them do. I don't know.
I can't think of any with 2 L's in the name. Do I get any hints, like in the area?
Oh, you yes. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Maybe it's a very new service.
Oh,
You know,
it's a very new service.
I think if I was you, I would search your mind for the answer.
Well, it must be something to do with search, but
Ooh, good clue. You picked up on that clue then.
I can't think of anything off the top of my head. I think I'm just going to have to a bomb on that one. I don't think.
Okay, well the answer is Kendra. The answer is Kendra. Kendra. Yes.
I actually thought that was more Greek.
Well,
But
yeah,
anyway.
you know what? But there you go. It's. I mean, yep. It doesn't sound Welsh to me, but I'm not an expert on all things Welsh, so maybe some people who are watching who are from Wales can maybe comment on that.
Yeah.
So the next one you passed on was, what's the AWS service that uses open source project Apache TVM and is used to optimize the deployment size of models onto small form factor devices?
Yeah, I'm going to bomb on that as well. Nothing's coming to mind.
That's SageMaker Neo.
Oh, right. Yeah. And I passed on one other one too, wasn't it?
Yeah,
It was the
and
local
that is the which city serves as the
Yeah.
local zone.
Which city?
Yeah, so local zone was launched at reInvent, and currently there is one city that it serves. Which is that city?
I don't know. Let's say San Francisco.
Oh, close, but it was Los Angeles.
Oh, fair enough.
So Matt, after that round, you scored 1, 2, 3, 4. You scored 4 for a total of 9 out of 20.
Well, it's not even 50%.
Well, Matt, thank you very much for being such a great sport, and we shall see how you compare to the AWS community who do this next week at the Community Summit. Thank you very much.